What's up, my YouTube friends? I'm putting together this DPM kit. It's Robert's Dry Goods. Right? It's a DPM HO. Here's my front part. Right? That's my front. So just a quick little thing. So this is my Tamiya paint airbrush paint stand, but I am finding it very handy to paint with, to use to paint. So a couple things. I'm using a Vallejo. Oh, this is my color, pastel blue, and it is a 79001. I'm using that, putting it in my little paint palette. I'm also putting a drop of, just one drop into a little bit, into a little airbrush thinner. And it's helping it flow a lot better and not dry out. Like, kind of, I'm using it as a paint retarder. And it's helping it flow a lot better. And you can see how well it flows. I'm trying to do this like far away because I got the camera going. Right? And it flows so nice with that in there. The second thing, when you're doing little detail work like this, spend money on good brushes, right? Now, these aren't the best brushes, but they're really good brushes. They hold their point really well. This was a 10 brush, I think it was a 10 brush set. And here's the brushes. The brushes is 10 brushes, right? I got them on Amazon. I'll put a link to these brushes and this Tamiya paint stand at the bottom of this video, just because I can. And you guys can go check it out. But I think this set of brushes was like, I want to say 16, 18 bucks, something like that. Not crazy, not like super expensive, right? Because you can spend like, I'm just trying to see what's going on here. You can spend like 20 bucks on a brush. Like AK has brushes, Vallejo has brushes, and you can spend 20 bucks on a brush. And kind of a brush, I don't know. I think if you take care of them, once I'm done with my brush, I clean it out really well. And I always use this stuff, this brush cleaner. And that really gets all the paint out of it that sits up into the furrow, you know? And that might get wicked up in there. But that's what I do. So take care of your brushes. Don't buy cheap brushes. Just don't. You might be tempted to. But I can tell you, this brush has made a huge difference uh, because of that point. And they have most of them are really fine point, even the big ones. I think they go down to, this is a number 2. I think they go down to, this is a 3.0. I think I might even have like, see what this one is. Come on out. This is a 5.0. That's a 5.0. It's not. It's not a. It's not a point, but it's tiny brush. The 3.0 is a really fine point, and I've used it for some things. But this number 2, has really been working for me for a lot of things. Like that is a 3.0. I was able to do these concrete sills and upper pieces that got underneath, and I was able to do that with this little brush, this 3.0, or number 2. I'm sorry, that number 2. But yeah, good brushes, good tools, good tools. I can't specify enough that spending a little bit of money on good tools will help you not get frustrated in anything that you do, whether it's this hobby, model making, trains, woodworking, metalworking, glass working, painting, oil painting, watercolor painting, anything. Good tools. All right, helped this, helped. Be well. I'll bring you back. I'll let you see when I put it together. It's basically, you stick the building together, and. But I really like the color. I'll be, after this, I'm done all this, then I'm going to spray it with some gloss varnish, and then do brickwork. I'm going to do grout after this. Maybe I'm not going to show you how I do it. There's plenty of videos out there that show you how to do it, and I'm just going to copy one of them. That's it. Over and out. Have a great day.